Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube. First you need to log into your YouTube account. After signing in, go to the upper right corner and click your account avatar. Go down to language option and click it. Select your preferred language. Wait for the browser to reload. There you go, your YouTube language has been successfully changed. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. You can leave your comment and suggestions down below. And for more videos hit that subscribe button. Thank you.